Alright, 3-inch APR downpipe installed yesterday. Also have straight pipes off of the downpipe. Didn't have the muffler in stock, so get to hear a little straight pipe action off of a 2010 GTI APR Stage 1 with downpipe, not upgraded to the Stage 2 software. And here we go. As you can see, actually I don't know if you can see, the engine is still cold. Shut the garage. And you get to hear what we hear inside the cabin. And I'll go for a little while and then I'll roll down the windows. Turn on some headlights since it's morning time. Can't see out the window yet. Here we go, a little better. Just cheering on the school bus. Bubbly and gargly. Alright, we'll do some windows down here. Back up to secure the crap that wants to fly around in the cabin of my vehicle. Four windows down, almost up to temperature. I got the horses' attention. They said, "Damn, that's loud." Surprisingly, it's less intrusive at full throttle than it is partial throttle. Partial throttle, get some drones, slow down here, give you a taste of full throttle. It's not as loud, and I don't know. I guess it's loud, but it's not as an annoying of a pitch. Right in the 3,000 RPM range is kind of where it's a little bit DSG down. turn us back on once we get on the highway.